Hey everyone, welcome back to Selwyn, Ontario and Project Fifer. This place is really starting to come together. It's starting to look like a $2 million mansion. Major changes since our last trip up here. Now you can finally see not just the framing and the plumbing rough-in and electrical rough-in, but now we have some drywall, which means insulation is all complete, and we're starting to see some paint and molding starting to go up. So you can see a nice soft gray that we've used on the walls, which is going to work with just about any type of fixtures as well as furniture that's going to go into this place. The ceilings are now clearly defined. They are high. They're nice high ceiling out here. We've got beautiful crown molding, very sleek and simple, going up around all of the walls to just give that extra little pop in here. And now with the drywall up, we can clearly see the size of each of these rooms, and they are huge. This is truly going to be a $2 million cottage out here on Fife's Bay with a beautiful, pristine view right over top of the lake. I mean, just look at that. So stay tuned. In the next little while, we'll be back here to show you what it looks like when it's all put together with all the finishes. I look forward to showing it to you.